Hey y'all, it's Sarah, and I wanted to share some unboxing here, and I don't know what I'm unboxing because this is some birthday gifts from my best friend Danny, and I got to tell y'all about Danny. She is my best friend from the interwebs. When I started doing the crafts, we've never seen each other in person, but that's probably one of my closest peoples. And she sent me some things, and I wanted to open them with you and open them with her, so I thought I'd share. And Dakota's here watching because it is birthday presents, and he thought that he might watch me open some birthday gifts. So that's the first one. I have never heard of this company, but look, it says Make the World Small. It's just a fancy little envelope, so it's actually a high quality envelope. Some nice paper. I have a weird paper affliction. Oh, let's see. It looks like, it looks like some frames. Oh, it's some gothic type frames. And it looks like some 3D dots. And, there's artwork for them. There's one more. There's some more frames in there. They kind of got loose. They're metal. Look how pretty. Look at the details. Let's see if I can put them against a dark background to see the details. Look at those details. Isn't that pretty? Oh, look at the artwork. The dog. The royal pup.
I like the cat.
Oh, look at the Maine Coon.
They're both so fluffy.
My husband has an obsession with Maine Coons. Is that a witch pup? That looks like a witch retriever. Look how pretty these are. Those are. Oh, look, Dakota, there's an orange fluff. There's an orange fluff kitty. I know we both got to get our faces so close so we can see the details.
This is some pretty stuff.
It is. Those are pretty. Even that small. Look at the detail. They're beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to put those together. Oh, it's going to be tough picking what's my favorite image, but I bet I can find ways to use all of these. That is beautiful. So this is the place. Now I'm going to have to go be curious. Since I make so many of my miniatures, I don't really look at a lot of miniature companies. Okay, let's see what's in the big box. And we'll try to do it so my address doesn't show. Oh, let's find out what's in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's one of the bags of all the little tiny items. Oh, this is a different one than the last one I tried. So this one's got some new things I haven't seen. Oh, look at the dishware in there. Look at the silverware.
There's a little pink cheese.
Is there pink cheese? There is pink cheese. But hey, I'm doing a Hello Kitty cafe next at some point after I'm done with Halloween. So, I can't wait to look through this thing. I may do that on its own video and just share what's in it. And I would guess this came from Amazon. There's 200 pieces. And it says, it looks like it says miniature landscape, maybe bake, bread, and tableware party. So I might share some of those in another video. And then there is something in its own box. Can you take that box for me? Thank you, sir. And let's see if we can get this open. Oh, it says, I see something about miniatures and Halloween. Too exciting. Too exciting. Oh my gosh, it's full of stuff. It's a suitcase. And a lantern.
Got an oil lamp.
Oh, and oh yeah. Look at that. It's even got like it's a little burn mark. You know, like how oil lamps will. Look at that.
Little camera.
I love this. This is going to my craft room. This is going to my miniature craft room. My miniature scrapbook room.
We got a globe of some unknown planet.
Oh no, this has probably got like Tartaria and Mew and all the cool places that...
I can't tell what that is.
I can't either. Let's find out. Where's some scissors? Let me grab some scissors.
While she does that, we got a chair.
Oh, look, it's almost tall enough for me in real life. Okay, wait a minute. I wanna skip show. It's a lab set. It's a lab set. Oh, it's a glass lab set, I think. Is it glass or acrylic? I don't know. This feels kind of heavy. It feels like... That feels like real glass. Like the little beakers feel like real glass. Look at that.
For a little mad scientist at home.
I feel like that's what I am sometimes. Look how cute that... Oh, my goodness. Oh, too much excitement. Wait, I gotta check the chairs. Gotta check my chair. Wow, that is a nice looking chair. I don't make my own chairs. Usually that's something that I just go ahead and find in miniature form. That's a real nice made one. I have some that I bought from like Hobby Lobby and Temu and stuff, and they're not made nearly that nice.
Look at this.
Oh, it's a writing desk. Hold on, let's open her up and see what she looks like. Wow, that is pretty. Look at that. They open. The drawers open. Okay, just for y'all's reference, anytime you see drawers on the pieces of furniture I make, they are drawer facades. They are not real drawers. I don't usually take the time. Look how cool that is. Oh, yeah. Man, the whole thing's finished out too. Look, even the back's finished out. The paint job on this is excellent compared to a lot of miniatures. I gotta set that little guy there. I gotta set it looking all nice.
Even fits.
Isn't that cute? Okay, let's... Oh, there's a lot. There's a lot of stuff in this little bag. I'm gonna slide the box so I can pump it out. There's a magic wand. Oh my gosh. There's so much cool... Oh, I had a crystal ball. Oh, look, it's got color to it. Look, it looks like...
There's a little book about birds. Here, you cannot open this one.
Yeah, a lot of the really tiny ones, you don't... A lot of times you can't open them. So, Night Circus. They're kind of cool. I think I actually have some of these. Look.
It's a little Harry Potter.
It's the Prisoner of Azkaban. That's actually going... I'm sure you guys can see my little Harry Potter scene here. I'm going to flip you so you can see. I've been working on my little Harry Potter stuff back there. So, that one's absolutely going in my Harry Potter place. Look at the broom. Look at the broom.
A stand for the...
Isn't that cute? That's a fancy stand. I'm putting... This little broom is perfect with... Look, I had some. Now I've got a perfect... Look. Oh my goodness. Love that one. Look, it's got... What is that? Limestone on there? It's got what looks like to be a real stone on it. Abracadabra.
Yeah, little witch's
Oh,
cauldron.
it's a baby cauldron. That is so
Little
fucking
purse for the
cute.
witches.
Stylish. Fabulous.
Little witch's hat.
Oh, that is cute. That is super cute. Y'all ignore the fact I got a light bulb that looks like it's trying to go a little spastic. I'm not going to go through all the books, but I am going to glance real quick to see if there's another Harry Potter. It's Peter Pan. Peter Pan's a pretty dark story to me, if you ask. Oh, some of these are great. Some of these I do have in miniature. Because I actually know there's a couple of them I do have in miniature. But I don't think mine weren't printed in this quality. Oh, there's another of the Harry Potter series. Look, there we go. That's going in my Harry Potter set. Oh, is it the whole collection? They got the whole... Yeah, sorry, that table's not glued together yet. Is it the whole collection? Deal with the Elf King. That one actually looks like something I'd read in real life. Okay, so is that all the Harry Potter? I won't go through them all, but that's so cute. And then look at all the little potion bottles. I love me some little potion bottles. And there's actually a lot of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it looks like 9 of them. How awesome.
There's a 10th one.
Oh, there's 10 of them. That's a lot of them. Considering these are these are a little smaller. If you want some kind of comparison, just mentally, these are a hair smaller than the smallest ones that Dollar Tree sells. These are similar to the ones I shared recently that Hobby Lobby sells in their jewelry section. But those are so cute. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm just going to slide these over respectfully here. Oh, I can't wait to use some of these. That little wand. That's so fun. I gotta set it on the desk too. And there's still stuff in here. Oh, it's a kit to set up your... It's the whole little kit. Look at this. Oh, it's a Hutch. It's a magical Hutch. Oh, that's a really nice one. And they open. Get the drawers. Does the drawers work too? It's hard to get a grip on those, doesn't it? Oh my goodness, the drawers work too. Oh, I can't wait to fill them with tiny crystals because I actually have a whole collection of small crystals. Like,
so pretty.
Real little rose quartz and amethyst and sodalite and things like that. So I can't wait to fill those. Oh my goodness. Danny, if you watch this and you're listening to this, this is so fun. I can't wait to put these in. I can't wait to set this up. I love it. And I'll come back at some point and share what's in this collection because there's a lot in there. And, well, there's some cool stuff in there. Look at the little jars with, looks like fruit and straws and stuff in them. And some Starbies, if you're a Starbies person. So I'll come back and share this one because that's like 200 pieces of a lot of things. But I love this set. And oh my gosh, how pretty will these be hanging above this desk or sitting on the desk? Oh my gosh. This did make for a very happy birthday. Thank you so much. I love it. I love it, love it. And I will talk to the rest of y'all soon. I'm about to go play with my birthday present. Bye, y'all.